Dear students, today we have a very important lesson as it talks about how technology can protect our planet and help us deal with the climate changes we observe every day. First, let's ask, have you ever heard of the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, or robotics? All these things fall under what we call connected smart systems. The meaning of connected smart systems is that we have devices connected to the internet that can gather information from their surrounding environment, such as temperature, humidity, and pollution. These devices do not work alone. They analyze the information using artificial intelligence, AI, and then automatically apply decisions using robotics. An example of this: imagine a smart car with sensors. When the engine temperature rises, it sends a signal to the center, and the center suggests an alternative route that is less congested to avoid problems. The components of smart systems are divided into three main parts: Internet of Things, IoT collects and sends information; artificial intelligence, AI analyzes data and makes decisions; robotics, executes instructions or commands. Let's start with examples from our lives. In a smart home, lights operate automatically, the air conditioning works according to the temperature, and there are security cameras protecting the house. In school, a robot can assist teachers in explaining and provide interactive lessons for students. In smart agriculture, sensors monitor soil conditions, and the system decides the right time for irrigation, reducing water consumption and increasing crops. These systems also play a role in addressing climate changes and protecting our planet. Example: the rise in Earth's temperature due to pollution from factories and cars. IoT monitors the temperature. AI suggests solutions to reduce pollution. Robotics operates ventilation and cooling systems. Air pollution is another problem. Devices measure pollution levels. Systems suggest ways to purify the air. Robots carry out the purification process. Drought and water scarcity. Sensors measure soil moisture. AI determines the right time for irrigation. Robots execute the irrigation process. Flooding is also a significant danger. IoT monitors rising water levels. AI warns residents before a disaster occurs. Robotics assists in rescue operations. Finally, the melting of ice at the poles due to rising temperatures. Devices monitor the ice. Systems predict the melting rate. Robots continuously track the situation. And now, my students, think with me, how can we use these smart systems in our country to solve problems like pollution, agriculture, water scarcity, or rising temperatures?